How's it going, everybody? Just doing a quick video on how to remove your windshield wiper arm. Not talking about the windshield wiper blade, your actual windshield wiper arm. So you can see right here, there's this clip pin or whatever you want to call it that locks it in place for you to remove it. You want it to go all the way up so you can line the splines up on it. If this thing's too low or whatever, or not high enough, you won't be able to remove your wiper arm. And you should be able to remove your wiper arm by hand. Played around with this for a little bit. If yours are seized up and they don't want to move, just spray with some WD-40. But what you would do is, this is in the lock position, so this one's ready to reinstall. So we'll go over to the Jeep. Take your wiper arm, and for reference, it's best to have another wiper that's already installed. You know, try to do this one at a time, and then that looks about right. You'll hold down right here, see where my hand's at, and then you'll pull this back and you'll push down that pin. You heard it click, and there's your wiper. It is reinstalled, and we'll just do a test real quick. Everything's working like it should, and that's how you do it. So for removal, all you do is you'll press down right here, and you'll pry back your arm just enough, and then try to feel for that pin. Pull that pin in place. There you go. You can see it's locked in place. You don't need no pry bars or anything for this. If anything, I think using a pry bar might actually mess up your motor, because you're usually grabbing on the motor shaft than anything. And then there you go. That easy. Line it back up. Pull back your wiper arm. Hang on. Pull back your wiper arm. Push down your pin. There you go. You reinstalled. And let's test her out again. And that's how it's supposed to look. So pretty simple. If you pull your wiper arm back and you can't get this pin to move, spray a little WD-40 with it and try some pliers on it. There's really not that much you can grab, but it should freely move enough for you to remove your wipers. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day.